Welcome to our channel. We are Peter and Karen. We sold our house and everything we owned to live our new life on our boat.
Hi everyone, just arrived at the boat. Let's go and see what work they've done, if any. This Norfolk time here has done the whole of the boat up. It's a beautiful boat back in the day. It's redone it all. They've done a really good job on it. Oh, it's swinging into ours. Very good, is it? No water tank still by the looks of it. Let's get on board and have a look. Turn you off for a minute and try and get on. Right, I've got back on. Oh, I've got back on, got on. Looks like they have put the water tank in. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, there we are. They've put it in. That's good. Oh, that's good. At least the water tank's in now, so hopefully I need to modify the alternator on the engine. Well, yeah, I think it's part of the engine. Looks like they've been working on it. Try and get through this stuff on the floor. No, it don't look any different in here. Still looks the same. But it does look like they've been working on it. I'll go and see Eric in a minute and see how much longer they're going to be on it. There's our seat covers for the front. More water. That wood's fallen down again. Right, let's go and move it. This is obviously falling down because the water's going on it. See Jekylls about that and get them to tighten it. Obviously they haven't been to do it. Yeah, so we need the boat back really now. It's taking long enough. They've had the boat 8 months. Shut that up wrong. No, they've had it since October last year. You know, I know they've found all these other problems with it. Floorboards being rotten at the back, and obviously they've got to do the alternator. So we really need it back now. I mean, summer's nearly here. Ain't going to be that long now. And my husband Peter went for a scan yesterday, ultrasound scan on his liver, and the news weren't very good. He's got cirrhosis of the liver, so we really do need the boat back, because you know, we don't know how long really we've got. So yeah, so we want to enjoy the boat really, you know, before anything major happens. So yeah, let's lock this up and I'll go and see Eric. It's a nice day, the sun's shining, as you can see. Clouds are quite clear, the sky's quite clear rather. But it's quite windy, and you can feel that, the breeze, you know, the coldness in the air. I'm just trying to lock this door. I've got some new keys cut. And you have to riddle it to try and lock it. So bear with us a minute. I'll put you up there. That's it. Got it locked. Right, let's go and see Eric. I'll get off the boat, so I'll turn you off and I'll bring you back and see how much longer they're going to have the boat. So see you in a minute. Just met one of our subscribers. I should have asked his name, but he's got the e-bike gunboat, and he's got his little boy with him, and the boat's going to be, so I told him. Anyway, I'm just waiting to see Eric.